Good afternoon to one and all. Today we see here our lecture number 4 of unit number 5, hybrid parameters. This lecture is for BSc third year 5th semester student, presented by Dr. Poonam Ashok Rao Fartode, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sri Shivaji, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Akut. Today we see next part or of our unit. Hybrid parameters for C transistor amplifier. Figure shows common emitter transistor amplifier circuit. Here we see a NPN transistor. B is the base, C is the collector and E is the emitter. The current flowing through the base is denoted by IB. The current through C is denoted by IC. And here we use a common emitter, so emitter is common to both base and collector. VB is the voltage, that is the input voltage, and VC is the output voltage. Here we see here the input port and ट्रान्झिस्टर आहे त्याला आपण इनपुट पोर्ट अटॅच केला आणि आउटपुट पोर्ट. तर इनपुट पोर्टला जो करंट अप्लाय होत आहे तो आहे IB आणि व्होल्टेज जे आहे ते VB आणि आउटपुट पोर्टचं व्होल्टेज जे आहे ते आहे VC. V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Call it as equation number 1. I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Call it as equation number 2. Let IB is equal to I1 equal to instantaneous alternating base current. V1 is equal to VB is equal to instantaneous alternating base voltage. I2 is equal to IC is equal to instantaneous alternating current, collector current. V2 is equal to VC is equal to instantaneous alternating collector voltage. Therefore, equation 1 and 2 for the hybrid parameters are of H11, H12, H21 and H22 becomes. So, put here V1 is equal to VB, I1 is equal to IB, V2 is equal to VC and I2 is equal to IC in the above equation 1 and 2. So we get the equation 3 and 4 that are VB is equal to H11 IB plus H12 VC. Call it as equation number 3. IC is equal to H21 IB plus H22 VC. Call it as equation number 4. Now, first of all, we have to calculate the hybrid parameter H11 or त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो त्याला H11 म्हणजे इथं कॉमन इमिटर कलर वापरलेला असल्यामुळे तो हायब्रिड पॅरामीटर झाला तुमचा HIE. Suppose the output is short circuit for AC signal. Therefore, मग या जर आउटपुट शॉर्ट केला तर VC काय होईल? VC is equal to 0. Therefore, equation 3 becomes VB is equal to H11 IB. H11 is equal to HIE is equal to काय होईल मग? VB upon IC. At which condition? Where VC is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 5. Thus, the hybrid parameters parameter H11 or HIE represent the input impedance of the transistor amplifier with output short circuited for AC signal in ohm. Unit of that quantity is ohm. The subscript I and E in HIE denote input impedance in the common emitter configuration. Now we calculate the next parameter, that is the hybrid parameter H12 or HRE. If the base current remains constant, then IB is equal to 0. This means that input terminal are open circuited for AC. Therefore, equation 3 becomes VB is equal to H12 into VC. Therefore, काय होईल मग H12 is equal to काय म्हणू शकतो आपण त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो HRE is equal to काय होईल मग VB upon Vc. At this condition, what? Ib is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 6. Thus, the hybrid parameter H12 or HRE is the ratio of AC input base voltage to the AC output collector voltage with the input open circuited for AC. Hence, H12 is the reverse voltage transfer ratio. It has no unit because it is the ratio of two similar quantities, so it has no unit. The subscript R and E in HRE denote reverse transfer ratio for common emitter configuration. Now we see the next parameter. The hybrid parameter H21 or HFE, that is for that purpose, suppose the output is short circuit for AC. Output is short circuit for AC म्हणजेच काय होईल मग? Therefore VC is equal to 0. Therefore equation 4 becomes IC is equal to H21 IB. Therefore H21 is equal to आहे HFE equal to काय होईल मग? IC upon IB. In this condition, Vc is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 7. Thus, the H parameter H21 or HFE is the ratio of AC collector output current to the AC input base current when the output is short circuited for AC. Hence, it is known as forward current transfer ratio in common emitter configuration. It is also known as small signal beta of the transistor. It has no unit because it is the ratio of two similar quantity. Now we see a next parameter, the hybrid parameter H22 or HOE. When the input terminals are open circuited for AC, then IB is equal to 0. Therefore, equation 4 becomes IC is equal to H22 VC. Therefore, H22 is equal to HOE is equal to IC upon VC. In this case, IB is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 8. Thus, H parameter H22 or HOE is the ratio of AC output collector current to the AC output collector voltage with input open circuited for AC. Hence, it is known as output conductance or admittance for CE configuration. It has a unit of conductance that is moles. The subscript O and E in HOE denotes output conductance for common emitter configuration. Low frequency hybrid equivalent circuit for common emitter amplifier. The common emitter H parameter equations can be written as common emitter साठी H parameter equations कसं लिहितो आपण? VB is equal to HIE IB plus HRE VC. Call it as equation number 1. IC is equal to HFE IB plus HOE VC. Call it as equation number 2. The equation 1 shows that the instantaneous AC base voltage VB is made up of the following two parts. HIE IB, that is the voltage drop across the resistance HIE produced by the instantaneous AC base current IB. And second part is the HRE into VC, an ideal voltage source as its EMF is unaffected by IB. So, base emitter circuit is equivalent to an ideal AC voltage source of EMF HRE into VC in series with the input resistance HIE. Then equation 2 shows that the instantaneous AC collector is of following two parts. कोणते कोणते दोन पार्ट्स आहेत त्याच्यात? HFE into IB, an ideal current source, and HOE into VC, a parallel or the shunt current. This is achieved by connecting a shunt resistance of 1 upon HOE. Now, the figure shows hybrid equivalent circuit for a small signal CE transistor amplifier. The phase shift of an ideal current source is shown by the arrow pointing downwards when the collector currents enter in the combination as shown in the figure. This figure shows the hybrid equivalent circuit for a small signal CE transistor. Thank you. Today we stop here. We will continue the topic in the next lecture. Thank you.